here at the Super 8 in Chadron, Nebraska. And we're going to take a room tour in room 108. Get a key lock key on my pocket. As you come in, where is the map? Again, they have no elevator in this hotel, just like one over in Aberdeen. And over here, we have your luggage with my suitcase, with your grips, backpacks. And over here we have that door goes into the closet, and that door goes into the bathroom, which I'll show you in a little bit. And over here is the last king size bed. Very, very nice bed. with your blanket and your pillow. Here's a nightstand with your lamp, with the good book and the phone book, Holy Bible with your telephone and the alarm clock. And over here we have your flat screen TV with the remote. And over here with your refrigerator and freezer. And your microwave for safe. And over here we have your desk. And with your mirror. Hello! Over here is the air conditioning unit. Still all 72 degrees on the air conditioning unit. That's the first, that's the second, that's the third. And you have your great view of the city of Chadron, Nebraska, of the view of other hotels. This is called the Redemption Opportunity. So this is the last hotel room tour for the day, for this year of 2025. So let's go check out the closet. This right here is a standard hotel closet with your iron board, with your hangers. So let's close this up. And now we'll check out the bathroom. This right here is the standard hotel bathroom. Over here we have your sink, mirror, hello. Standard hotel sink, hot, cold. Underneath the sink, the pipes, they're very clean. Here's a toilet, flush. They're very clean. It's nice for clean. Over here is the bathtub with your shower head. Hot, cold. Oh, very, very nice. We're looking for a shower head. Cold, hot. Alright, let's close this up. And we'll take one last chance look at the last chance for the hotel room for the end of the day on my playlist. Alright, let's take one last chance to look at the room. So, what do you think of this? So, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think of this hotel room? It's pretty awesome. Yes, pretty awesome. So, that being said, thank you for watching, and that is all, and see you guys later.